This is the one that had the pink spalt in it. Oh, there it is. It's still in there. I got this side done in like a seafoam green and yellow epoxy, and the back few spots are just blue. So if I got a little spot, I'll make a dam with silver tape and form it around toward to go inside of the hole or go inside of a crack, whichever. And then I'll take the fancy grinder and grind it all back down, not into the wood, but almost. That way it reduces a whole lot of whack, 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 whack as you're going around. So I'm gonna get that fired up real quick. Put you back in time lapse. The last one I did, it was so punky that part of it blew out. And I'm not going to make that mistake on this one. So what I'm going to do is, if I got one that's real punky, I'll use this wood bowl finish because it's food safe urethane and it's oil based. And that's what I'm going to put on here on the finish anyway when I'm done. But it's oil based, so it's really going to pop out that grain. That's one reason why I like using it. You ain't got to worry about something that ain't going to pop the grain being deep down in there where you finally get to. And stuff being so punky, it really just sucks it up. And it looks like we may have some pink spalt left in there. Just a little bit. Right there. Now I'll spare you the rest of this boring process of just getting it good and saturated. I'm just going to take a minute. Now I've got the wood bowl finish on. And you tell me some of the stuff that was loose, but for it to be as punky as it is, nothing's coming out. Good little quick way to fix wood that's really punky, and it's not as expensive as that stuff from Minwax. Plus it's oil based, so it brings out the natural grain in the wood. So we'll get this thing back turned, get this thing finished up. I've got the holoform partially lacquered. I gotta let that finish drying on the top half, and I can go back and finish on the bottom half, and then I'll be throwing this pretty one on there. Somebody kind of pushed my button to try purple because I don't typically use purple, but that turned out nice. So that time lapse. what was thirstier, the dang paper towel, the bowl, the little piece of plywood I got. Turn this light down just a little bit too bright. There, much better. So that's the first coat of wood bowl finish. It'll take me another, by the time I get done with it, it'll take about 2 weeks to do it. And what I'll do is, I mean, I've showed you, I've got another video up on how to get that high gloss finish. You'll just keep applying it till it starts to build a glossy finish. Once you get a full gloss finish across it, sand it down to 400 grit lightly just to get any rough spots or any runs you may have off of it. And that's when you'll use the little napkin in a nylon stocking. It does a great job on getting a good smooth finish on these things, that wood bowl finish. But this one didn't blow, and well, didn't blow in my hand like the other one did. But I like that color in that right there. I can't tell if that's bark or what that is, but it didn't come out. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like, give it a share if you want to. Stay tuned for more.